in the sketchbook. Me and You, the sketchbook. We got some subs for that by any chance? I like me my subs. Uh-oh. Sketchbook. I'm gonna sympathy. That sympathy song was actually. Oh, look at that. He's got like a duet for the sympathy one. That'd be kind of tight. All right. All right. We are launching off here. Yeah, I'm gonna read off the ones I got. Actually, we'll start this one right here. We got some EXO Thunder. I scrambled everything for requests, so it's not like I'm playing favorites, you know, who said first, whatever, because I want to make sure everyone at least is rightfully gets a chance to, you know, get up in there. The first one is going to be EXO Thunder. So let's get this popped up. Whoop. We are starting in 10 seconds. Yeah, like I said, I can't go all the way today, you know, so that's why it's going to be cut a little bit short earlier. Apologize. Let's do it. Boom, boom, boom. Got a little kick to it. Stage is very well put together. Came from the underground shit, you know what I'm saying? They got their logo spinning in the background. That's good. Very well put together here. It's that damn labyrinth. It's nice. They're pretty respectful to everyone in the crowd. Oh, I think I still see security. Just in case bitches get out of hand, you know what I'm saying? Sunda. Go ahead and thumbs up that bad boy real quick. I did like that one. I like they got the little hoo in there and stuff like that. It's got that definitely brings a little ring to it, you know, a little catchy little thing in there. Not going in my PVP list or anything like that, but I'm feeling it. I'm gonna read some of your stuff real quick, and then we are going to go to the next one. It doesn't look like much has changed on here. What's going on, Lewig? It looks like I'm getting a channel from someone else on Thursday to check out their stuff. Okay. I probably non-K-pop related, but that's all right. I'll get to it on my own other times here. And the wig is back again. Oh wait, I get it. You said hello, and then I'm back like a minute or something later. All right, cool. I'm gonna upload this bad boy. Whoosh.